Hello everyone, and welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the world of Jeep Wrangler accessories with a review of what many consider to be the best Jeep Wrangler table on the market. The Rough Country Folding Rear Tailgate Table for 2007 to 2018 Jeep Wrangler JK. Let's start by looking at why this table stands out among its competitors. Designed specifically for the Jeep Wrangler JK models from 2007 to 2018. This folding rear tailgate table is engineered with both practicality and durability in mind. The table features a durable steel frame construction with an aluminum table surface, making it sturdy yet lightweight. It folds flush against the tailgate when not in use, ensuring it doesn't interfere with your Jeep's functionality when you're on the move. A rattle-free design means you can enjoy a quiet ride even over rough terrain. Capable of holding up to 75 pounds, this table is more than just a surface. It's a practical addition for camping, tailgating, or any outdoor adventure where extra space is needed. Its rectangular shape and generous dimensions provide ample space for food prep, gear organization, or simply enjoying a meal outdoors. Installation is straightforward, with no drilling required. It attaches securely to the tailgate of your Jeep Wrangler JK, ensuring a stable platform wherever your adventures take you. Before purchasing, it's recommended to check the Amazon-confirmed fit bar to ensure compatibility with your specific vehicle model. As enthusiasts ourselves, we understand the importance of quality and functionality in Jeep accessories. The Rough Country Folding Rear Tailgate Table not only meets but exceeds these expectations, providing a robust solution for enhancing your Wrangler's utility. Whether you're gearing up for a weekend camping trip or simply want to add a convenient space to your Jeep, the Rough Country Folding Rear Tailgate Table is a standout choice. Its sturdy construction, thoughtful design, and ease of installation make it a must-have for any Jeep Wrangler JK owner looking to elevate their outdoor experiences. Thank you for tuning in to today's review on Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Stay tuned for more in-depth reviews and insights into the latest automotive accessories. Until next time, happy trails and safe travels.